Want to manage your Shopify store from your iPhone? It's easy. First, make sure you have an Apple ID and access to the App Store. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. It's the blue icon with a white A. This is your gateway to downloading the Shopify app. In the App Store, tap the Search tab at the bottom right. Type Shopify into the search bar. Look for the Shopify app. It's the one with the white shopping bag logo on a teal background. Tap Get next to the Shopify app icon. You might need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm the download. Once the Shopify app downloads, it will automatically install on your iPhone. After installation completes, tap the Open button to launch the app for the first time. When you first open the Shopify app, it will request certain permissions to function properly. These permissions allow the app to access specific iPhone features and data. The app will ask for notification permissions to send you alerts about new orders, inventory updates, and other important store activities. This helps you stay informed even when you're away from your computer. The app may also request camera access. This permission allows you to scan product barcodes when using the point-of-sale features, making it easy to manage inventory and process sales quickly. If you need to change permissions later, you can access them through your iPhone Settings app under Privacy Controls. The App Privacy Report feature can also help you monitor how apps use your data. Grant these permissions when prompted to ensure the Shopify app can fully support your store management needs. You can always adjust them in settings if your requirements change. When you open the Shopify app, you'll see the login screen prompting you to log in. Enter the email address and password associated with your Shopify store. This ensures secure access to your e-commerce data. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, you can create a free account directly from the app by tapping the Get Started link. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, you can easily switch between them using the Account drop-down menu on the dashboard. Once logged in, you can manage almost every aspect of your Shopify store directly from your iPhone. Easily track orders, update product listings, fulfill orders, respond to customer questions, and monitor store analytics, all from your iPhone. The Shopify iPhone app puts your entire business at your fingertips. One of the most powerful features is real-time order tracking. You can monitor order status, view shipping details, and receive delivery updates directly from your phone. The app provides instant notifications for new orders, ensuring you never miss important updates. You can easily update your product listings from anywhere. Edit descriptions, adjust prices, manage inventory levels, and upload new images directly through the app. This ensures your store remains up to date and reflects the latest changes, even while you're away from your computer. Order fulfillment is streamlined with the app's integrated point-of-sale system. You can process payments, print shipping labels, and manage deliveries directly from your iPhone. The offline mode ensures you can continue operations even without internet connectivity, perfect for pop-up shops or events. Customer service is just a tap away. Respond to messages, manage reviews, and handle support requests through the app's customer interface. You can view customer history, order details, and spending patterns to provide personalized service, all while on the move. Finally, keep track of your store's performance with comprehensive analytics. View sales trends, customer behavior, and key metrics in real time. The app's AI features provide automated suggestions for inventory management and marketing strategies, helping you make informed decisions wherever you are. If you're having trouble logging into the Shopify app, first double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your store. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Tap it to receive a secure reset link in your email, which will guide you through setting a new password. If the app is crashing or freezing, try restarting your iPhone first. Hold the power button and slide to power off, then turn it back on. If that doesn't help, delete and reinstall the app from the App Store to resolve any software conflicts. If these steps don't resolve your issues, reach out to Shopify support. You can find help options within the app or visit the Shopify website for additional assistance from their team. Keep your Shopify app updated to the latest version to benefit from new features, security enhancements, and bug fixes. Enable automatic updates in your iPhone settings to ensure you're always running the most current version. This ensures seamless updates without manual checks. You can check for updates directly in the App Store. Regular updates maintain optimal app performance and security. The Shopify app is a core tool for e-commerce merchants.